Embassy Suites. Ooh. Sweet 1712. It's in the corner. Let's see what it's giving.
Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
So as we enter this little, is that my knee cracking? No, my knee's cracking. Okay. So as we enter this area with a dining room table, if you want to call it that. You can call it an office table, whatever you want to call it. I'll say it's a dining room. So as we enter the dining room, then the living room area. As you can see, there's an ottoman, some trash cans, and a little kitchenette area here with a refrigerator. Good size, bigger than the one at work. Here's a microwave, and I don't know if this is actually a cupboard under there. I'm probably not gonna open it, honestly, because, well, all right, I'm here, might as well. Yep, no cupboard. And a mini sink. There's a television out here, so you can sit, chill on the couch, and watch TV. I'm not sure if that pulls out into a bed, but we won't need it because it's only 2 of us today. To the right as you enter is the bathroom. There's a mirror, sink of course, have some toiletries here, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and soap. There are a bunch of switches here. So these 2 are for right when you step in, these 2 brighten the bathroom a bit more, and this is for the shower. Toilet, trash can, washcloths, and towels. I already opened the shower door, so here we go. Decent sized shower. Let's close the shower door. Behind the door is a hook, and that's the bathroom. Now to the bedroom. There's the bed, the highlight of the bedroom, right? As you see, there are tables, nightstands on the side with outlets right next to it, and a telephone and lamp on one side. The other side has an alarm clock and lamp with outlets as well. A little nook back here with a luggage rack, and ooh, I walked right past the closet. And there's a closet here. Apologies for the dim looking room. Okay, there's the safe and television, 3 drawers here. So there's actually really good storage space for 2, I would say, in this room. All right, Al, could you give the room some light? Open those curtains, please. There's some more drawers here. So there we go. Drawers, and there are similar drawers on the other side. I feel like if you've seen one drawer, you've seen them all. But thank you for the light. So much better in here, look. Take a look around the room. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, and now let's see what the view is giving. It's Niagara Falls, y'all. Look at that. That is the view from our room here at the Embassy Suites. Fallsview, Niagara Falls. Yeah, I could just stand here and watch. Allan and I came in before I recorded the room tour and just stood here for a minute. Like, this is gorgeous. And I know that the camera is not gonna do it justice. You have to be here. I'm not even editing yet. I'm not watching a replay yet. I'm recording and I'm not even looking through the camera because I'm looking through the window at the falls. It's gorgeous. What say you, Al?
Oh, this is breathtaking right here.
Yeah.
This is, wow.
The sun is like beaming too, like in my eye. In my eye. So this is gorgeous. This is the reason we booked this room. It's called the Fallsview Embassy Suites by Hilton, Niagara Falls, Fallsview Hotel, and well, you see why. Not every room has a Falls view, so you do have to look for this when booking. And there are different types of Falls view. This is a Canadian Falls view. They actually have another option where you get a full Falls view. This is good for me. They tried to upgrade us at check-in for $100 more to do the full Falls view, but this is good for me. All right. So we're about to start our day, our first day in Canada, our first day at Niagara Falls.